Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial in which we will discuss about ledger export and import from Mark to Mark in Mark ERP. Basically, the use of this option is to export and import Mark ledger to another firm or company. The usage of this option is when we are running two firms or companies and their ledgers are same, so there is no need to create any ledger. We can simply transfer our ledgers from one firm to another firm. So let's implement this in Mark ERP. Firstly, we will see the export process. For that, we will go to Master's menu, then Ledger Master, and then enter on Ledger Export. So you can see all the list of accounts have been displayed in front of you. If you want, then you can select any particular group by pressing space key or by pressing shift plus star key. You can select all the displayed accounts group as well. Then press enter key. So save in path window will appear in front of you, where one path is displaying you that the ledger which is being selected, that ledger will be exported or saved on that location. And if you want, then you can also change the path. For now, we will save the backup of these ledgers in D drive of Mark ERP reports folder. Then is transfer balances. Means you want to export your ledgers with balances, or you can export these ledgers without balances. So we will select here yes, means we want to export these ledgers with balances. Then press enter. So you will see that all the ledgers are exported successfully. So now let's come and see the process to import these ledgers in another company of Mark. For that, we will exit from here and then from list of companies window, we will select the company. As you can see on the screen, right now we don't have any ledgers or balances. So let's see how we will import ledgers in it. For that, we will go to Master's menu, then to Ledger Master, and then from here, we will enter on Ledger Import. As we will enter on Ledger Import option, Import Ledger window will get appear in front of you, from where we will select that path where we had imported our ledgers. As you will select your path, a window of Save in Path will get displayed in front of you, where you have an option Receive Balance. And in drop down, three options are shown to you. That's our No Balances, Opening with Balance, and As It Is. Means from here you can select that the ledger which you are importing, that you will import without balances. So for that you will select No Balances here. Or you can import these ledgers with balances. So for that we will select Opening with Balance, or you can import this as it is. So for now we will select As It Is. Then is for duplicate ledger only import. Means suppose you have manually created few ledgers, so you want to import those ledgers which you have created manually with balances or without balances. Means the duplicate ledgers which you have, you want to import those ledgers with balances or without balances. So we want to import those duplicate ledgers with balances. So we will select here with balances. Then we will type here sure and then press enter. So after entering, you can see that your ledgers will get imported successfully. Thank you.